He's beautiful. He's a beautiful boy.
Couldn't shave it. We tried
He's
three
a beautiful
different
boy.
clippers.
Yes, he is. Hi, he's a beautiful boy. Yes, he is. He is. He's a beautiful boy with no testicles. Where'd you go? Get over here. Get over here. Get over
Hot in
here.
here.
Hi. I know because you got on your winter coat. Ah, look at those feet. Look at those funny feet you got. You got funny feet.
You're funny. You thirsty? You guys know.
What are you doing around the corner? I know.
This
I
is so
know. We
curious.
need to turn the heat down, don't we?
Ah, dying.
What are you doing? That's the laundry. You don't need the dirty laundry. Get it, darn. You got it.
I grew.
Get out of that dirty laundry. Get out of it. What? He's in the laundry basket. What are you doing? Oh, so many smells. Something to roll in. Pull out something you like.
What is it with dirty laundry? Rue did the same thing.
Nope, there we go. Get it? And Rue loved duck poop. Get a drink. Drink. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh,
No. Do you know the word no? I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Hi, honey.
He's like, oh no, that's a fun word.
Do you like your kennel?
He loves it. Stop playing over here. Get out of there.
You're funny.
Neurotic.
What's this? Come take it. Here you go. Come here. You were good for that. You were good. Good boy. Good boy. You like your kennel, huh?
You love it.
It's okay. He's not acting like he even notices he's got the harness on.
He's too crazy.